Hello friends, my name is Radha Masood. Today we shall discuss about a topic, the critical path method or short form CPM in detail. Friend, if you are a person who has having interest in the project management or you are planning to give exam of PMP in near future, so this is a very important topic for you. So let's start friend. First of all, I will request to please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you, and also you can follow me on the Facebook page as well. So friend, let's start. What is critical path method actually? Friend, in project management, the critical path is the longest sequence of tasks that must be completed to successfully conclude a project from start to finish. The tasks on the critical path are known as the critical activities because if they are delayed, the whole project will be delayed. By identifying the critical path, you can determine the total duration of a project and you will have a clear picture of the project actual schedule. To find the critical path, project managers normally uses the critical path method CPM algorithm to define the least amount of time necessary to complete each task with the least amount of slack. The critical path method, also known as critical path analysis CPA, is a scheduling procedure that uses a network diagram to depict a project and the sequence of the task required to complete it, which are known as paths. Once the paths are defined, the duration of each path is calculated by an algorithm to identify the critical path, which determines the total duration of the project. The critical path method is used in project management to create project schedules and help project managers to create a timeline on a Gantt chart for the project. The critical path method includes identifying each and every task to complete the project and the dependencies between them, estimating the duration of the project task, calculating the critical path based on the task duration and dependencies to identify the critical activities, focusing on the planning, scheduling and controlling critical activities, setting project milestones and deliverables, setting stakeholder expectations related to deadline. After making these considerations, you gain insight into which activities must be prioritized. Then you can allocate the necessary resources to get these important tasks done. Tasks you discover that are not on the critical path are of a lesser priority in your project plan and can be delayed if they are causing the project team to become over located. Now the advantages of the critical path. Friend, the advantages of the critical path are as follows. It figures out the activities which can run parallel to run each other. It helps to project manager in identifying the most critical elements of the project. It gives a practical and disciplined base which helps in determining to reach the objectives. CPM is effective in new project management. CPM can strengthen a team perception if it is applied properly. CPM provides demonstration of dependencies which helps in the scheduling of individual activities. It shows the activities and their outcomes as a network diagram. It gives a fair and concise procedure of documenting of project. It helps in determining the slack time. An explicit and clear approach of communicating project plans, schedules, time and cost performance is developed. It is extensively used in industry. It helps in optimization by determining the project duration. Now the durations of the disadvantages of the CPM. The scheduling of personnel is not handled by the CPM. In CPM, it is difficult to estimate the completion time of an activity. The critical path is not always clear in CPM. For bigger projects, CPM networks can be complicated too. It also does not handle the scheduling of the resource allocation. In CPM, critical path needs to be calculated precisely. So friend, thanks a lot for watching the video. I hope you like this video. If you like it, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thanks a lot for watching the video. Thank you friends.